Alright, what's going on, guys? So we're gonna be doing another mod today. We have the Spyder Fogs. Okay. We're gonna be installing these today. So I'm gonna be using a Dremel. have them installed. So that's how you install them and hardwire them in. Yeah, my car's dirty. So yeah, it's gonna look real good. So as you can see, we have it shrink wrapped and hardwired in. Using these little guys right here, like these things. So y'all can see it is installed. It actually looks really good. So I'm going to give you a little I'll wait till it gets dark and then I'll do what it looks like during the night. I'll open the garage up a little bit, and yeah, I got all this red mud on my car now. But yeah, I'll open this garage up, and I'll let you guys see what it looks like at night. Also, we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be trying out this product here. So we're just gonna make 2 videos in one. This McGuire's waterless wash and wet. So I'm gonna try this out. We got the little man Shagini out here. He left it on. We got some new meats we're gonna be putting on the car also. Yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna try this McGuire's waterless wash and see if I can get the car cleaned up. Then we can get some footage of these lights and see what it looks like. Yeah, you want to tell everybody about your Shagini?
Yes.
All right, well, tell them about your Shagini. What is this?
Oh, Shagini.
That's your Shagini?
Yeah.
Oh, you gonna turn the lights on for him? Oh man, that is so cool.
Hear that?
You hear that? Yeah. Is your Shagini fast?
Yeah.
You think it's faster than Dada's car?
Yeah.
Yeah? I got the lights on in the garage, and these things are pretty. These things are bright, man.
Put an ounce on my wrist.
You can see, this is with the fogs on. They are bright. Makes a big difference. I don't even really need the high beams on right now. Yeah, these things are nice. So, how would I guess, rate these fogs? So far so good. I'd say get them, do the mod. I mean, you know, the old existing fog lights, man, are pretty bad. They look pretty bad. So I'd say definitely get them, and you know, make the car look even better. So I'm gonna give you guys some outside footage of what they look like on. So I'm gonna park, and then I'll give you guys some footage of that. Here's what they look like outside, nighttime. They look really good. They look sick. Tell me what you guys think. There's probably a little bit of wind.